Today, I'm reviewing Deposure, a 2025 secure tunneling tool that lets developers expose local services to the internet instantly through an encrypted tunnel, making it easy to test webhooks, share demos, and expose APIs without complex setup. Deposure's standout feature is its one-command CLI workflow, allowing developers to make a local app publicly accessible in seconds without dealing with deployment or DevOps overhead. The tool offers unlimited bandwidth, automatic scaling, and security features like custom domains, TLS certificates, IP allow listing, and authentication to safely expose endpoints. Product Hunt users praise Deposure for being free, easy to use, and unrestricted compared to older tunneling tools, with a clean dashboard that shows real-time traffic, logs, and errors. Deposure also emphasizes reliability with a 99.97% uptime SLA, multi-region redundancy, and automated request handling to keep endpoints stable. Overall, Deposure is a strong developer-focused tunneling solution that combines simplicity, security, and performance, making it a compelling alternative for testing, demos, and API workflows.